welcome to our video on monetizing a blog or website through advertising and sponsored content. In this video, we'll be discussing the various ways you can make money from your blog or website, including through advertising and sponsored content. We'll also be providing a step-by-step guide on how you can get started with these monetization methods. If you are new to the channel and you would like educational videos that show you a step-by-step process of how to make money online, feel free to subscribe. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes. Your support means a lot and it will motivate us to create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to click on that bell notification icon to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you, and keep your notebook and pen close to you because you don't want to miss any of these information. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about advertising. Advertising is a common way for bloggers and website owners to monetize their content. There are several ways you can incorporate advertising into your blog or website, including display ads, sponsored posts, and sponsored links. To get started with advertising, you'll need to join an advertising network. There are many different advertising networks to choose from, such as Google AdSense, Media, Net, and AdThrive. Once you've joined an advertising network, you'll be able to place ads on your site and earn money every time someone clicks on one of the ads. The key to making money through advertising is to have a large and engaged audience. The more traffic your site gets, the more money you can potentially make from advertising. Another way to monetize your blog or website is through sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a company pays you to write about their product or service on your blog or website. This can be a great way to make money, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. To get started with sponsored content, you'll need to reach out to companies and pitch your blog or website as a platform for sponsored content. You can also join a sponsored content network, such as TapInfluence or Linkia, to find sponsored content opportunities. The key to making money through sponsored content is to have a strong presence on social media and a well-defined niche. Companies are more likely to work with you if you have a specific audience that aligns with their target market. So, those are the basics of monetizing a blog or website through advertising and sponsored content. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to get started. Step 1. Determine your monetization goals. Do you want to make a full-time income from your blog or website, or are you just looking for a little extra income on the side? Understanding your goals will help you determine the best monetization strategy for you. Step 2. Choose an advertising network or sponsored content network. There are many different options to choose from, so do your research and find the one that fits your needs. Step 3. Place ads or pitch sponsored content to companies. If you're using advertising, make sure to place the ads in prominent locations on your site to maximize your earnings. If you're using sponsored content, reach out to companies and pitch your blog or website as a platform for sponsored content. Step 4. Monitor your earnings and optimize your strategy. Keep track of your earnings and try different monetization strategies to see what works best for you. And that's it. Monetizing your blog or website through advertising and sponsored content can be a great way to turn your passion into a profitable business. With the right strategy and a little bit of hard work, you can turn your blog or website into a successful monetization platform. Thanks for watching.